Hello, welcome to Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. So here is my tired looking front door decor. I still have all the summer stuff out. It's dirty, it has seen better days. It is definitely time to change this out. I usually leave these pots out with the stand, but I'm going to change that section out. This bench, I always leave it out. This is the wreath that I used on my front door this summer, and I will link the tutorial for that down in my description box. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to change this space for the fall season. I have this old wooden chair. I love the chippy paint and the weathered wood. It will make a perfect plant stand. If you're new, I want to say welcome, and I'd love for you to join my community by subscribing and tapping on the bell to keep up to date with everything I have to share. I've decided to leave the gnome and the mushrooms in the pot. I added a bit of wheat, and I like to leave a lot of what's on this bench here year-round. So I had this old yellow enamel pot, and I knew it would make the perfect planter for a fall mum, and I love how it looks on the chair. I've also added this potted mum here in the corner, and I thought it looked a little sparse underneath the chair, so I added some fall foliage. For a bit more of a pop of color, I added some fall faux mums to this planter here. And then I added these fall leaf garlands on the top edge of this bench, and I have some fall florals and leaves in the bark pot there. And then I also added some fall foliage in amongst the branches and rocks that I have sitting on the bench. This is the same wreath that I used last year for my outdoor fall decor. I will leave the link to that tutorial down in my description box as well. I love to use gnomes in my decor. I just think they add some fun whimsy to any space. My cat was so curious about what I was doing and was sniffing everything and enjoying the view. I'm so pleased with how this space turned out, just with a few simple changes. It has that rustic farmhouse cottage appeal that I like for the outdoors. I would absolutely love to know what you think. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.